Every medicine you take has a journey before reaching your hands. That journey includes one of the most important departments in the pharmaceutical industry, the quality control laboratory. Here, every tablet, capsule, and injection is scientifically tested to ensure it is safe, effective, and of the highest quality. In this video, we will take you inside a USFDA quality control laboratory and explore how medicine are tested before they reach patients. What is quality control? Quality control, commonly called QC, is responsible for testing pharmaceutical materials and products. QC verifies that raw materials, packaging materials, in-process sample, finished products, and stability samples meet approved specification. Without QC testing, no medicine can be released for patient use. Every result must be scientifically accurate, fully documented, and traceable. QC lab sections. A modern pharmaceutical QC laboratory consists of several specialized sections. The wet chemistry laboratory, performing titration and chemical testing. The instrumentation laboratory operate HPLC, GC, UV visual spectrophotometers, FTIR, and dissolution system. The microbiology laboratory monitors microbial quality, while the stability laboratory studies product quality throughout its shelf life. Important instruments. The high performance liquid chromatography or HPLC is the one of the most important instruments in pharmaceutical analysis. It measures assay-related substance and impurities with high precision. Gas chromatography is used for residual solvent. UV spectrophotometers measures absorbance of quantitative analysis. Analytical valence ensure accurate weighing, while dissolution tester evaluate how quickly tablet release the active ingredient. Good documentation practices. In pharmaceutical quality control, if an activity is not documented, it is considered not performed. Analysts must follow good documentation practices. Every entry should be accurate, legible, complete, and recorded at the time of the activity. Data integrity principles such as ALCOA Plus ensure that every laboratory result remains trustworthy and traceable throughout the product life cycle. Out of specification. Occasionally, laboratory results may fall outside specification limits. These are known as out of specification or OS. Results and OS results should never be ignored or repeated without scientific justification. A structured investigation begins by reviewing calculation, chromatograms, instrument performance, standards, sample preparation, and laboratory procedure. If no laboratory error is identified, manufacturing process are investigated to determine the root cause. Conclusion is that pharmaceutical quality control is much more than laboratory testing. It protects patients by ensuring every medicine meets the highest standard of identity, strength, purity, and quality. Behind every successful medicine is a dedicated QC team committed to scientific excellence, regulatory compliance, and patient safety. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more.